Welcome in, everybody. So I seen some people use white HTV and DTF powder with sublimation ink, so I thought I would give it a try. I took one of the designs that I've been using on white cotton with DTF, and I tried this on a black shirt with white HTV vinyl, and I used the same materials that I used for the white cotton shirts that I made, the DTF powder and the DTF film. I used those same products, but I had just added the white HTV along with it to put it on a black shirt. So the process for this was to take the design that I had already made and created on Cricut Design Space, and I copied the design and turned it into a cut, just plain white, so that I could use my Cricut machine to cut out the design. So I printed out the design on direct to film, used the powder, then heated it, went through all of those steps. I took the design and I let my Cricut machine cut it out on white HTV. I weeded the design, and now I've got everything ready to start putting it on the shirt. Heat press is already heated up because I had to let the DTF design sit under it just to melt the powder. So first thing I have to do is put the white HTV, or press the white HTV, on the black shirt. Once I've pressed the white HTV and peeled off that plastic, the plastic transfer paper, then I put the design on top, line it all up, and tape it down with my heat tape. I didn't use the black letters. I just left the white HTV there because you can't put black letters on a black shirt. Just doesn't show up, can't really see it, no point. So I just left the letters white. The main part of the design, I pressed it on the white HTV. I want to know what you guys think. I don't think it turned out as well as if I was using Sizer Easy Weed HTV. It looks a little gritty or pixely, or I can clearly tell that when I pressed the sublimation ink into the HTV, it almost has that bleeding kind of look, how the ink spread. And I don't like this. Like the video that showed me this hack, she said that she loved it. She was very happy with it. I went in very optimistic, thinking that this would be a cheaper, better alternative than using Sizer Easy Weed on black cotton or black at all. I just don't like it. I just don't like the way it turned out. Maybe I need to try different designs, maybe different temperatures. I don't know. I'll experiment with some more black shirts and different designs and see if all of them are the same or if it does the same thing every time. But I am just not happy with how this turned out. I would not recommend selling shirts like this. If you like this hack and you want to do it for shirts that you wear, fine, but especially with this design, how the skull is in like a half a circle, it's just, I don't mind vinyl, the feel of vinyl at all. Vinyl feels really nice on shirts, but this big bulky piece of vinyl, I just don't like the way it feels. I think double pressing it was a mistake. I'm just not happy with the outcome of this hack. This is my personal opinion. If you have done this yourself and you really like this hack and you've had more success, let me know about it down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. But this is just my personal opinion. I did not like this hack. I did not like the results I got when doing this hack. But you let me know what you guys think of how it turned out, if you've had success with this or not. I want to thank you for watching the video and hope you guys have an awesome, happy creating, everybody.